Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to do quite a quick question, and it's 2.1.3 where we need to determine the value of T27. So when we get a question like that, we're looking for T27, and in the previous two questions, we've already calculated a general term. Right, so let's subs in our 27 to the n. So it's going to be 27 squared plus 17 times 27 minus 1. That is then going to give us, if we plug it all in our calculator, minus 27 squared plus 17 times 27 minus 1. And that's going to give us minus 271. And that is the answer to the question and gives you a good 2 marks. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website to find more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to the question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.